Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 29th, 2025, and we're diving into IDT Corporation's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. IDT Corporation, a global provider of fintech and communications solutions, has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IDT Corporation reported a revenue of $316.6 million for Q4 2025, marking a 3% increase from the previous year. John, how does this reflect on their profitability?
Despite a modest revenue increase, IDT's gross profit surged by 12% to $114.5 million, thanks to a 310 basis point expansion in gross margin to 36.2%. This indicates strong operational efficiencies. Additionally, their Adjusted EBITDA grew by 33% to $33.4 million, showcasing robust profitability improvements.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance of IDT's key segments?
Absolutely. The National Retail Solutions (NRS) segment saw a 22% increase in recurring revenue, driven by merchant services and SaaS fees. Boss Money's digital revenue grew by 31%, reflecting a strong shift towards digital channels. Net2Phone's subscription revenue rose by 8%, despite currency headwinds, and Traditional Communications reported an 11% increase in income from operations.
It seems like IDT is making strategic moves across its segments. What are their key initiatives?
IDT is focusing on digital expansion, particularly in Boss Money, which now contributes over 80% of remittance volume. They're also investing in AI solutions for Net2Phone, aiming to integrate AI agents into 30% of sales by year-end. These initiatives are set to drive future growth.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Let's talk about IDT's financial health. How are they positioned in terms of liquidity and shareholder returns?
IDT is in a strong financial position with $253.8 million in cash and no outstanding debt. They repurchased $10.1 million worth of shares, reflecting confidence in their stock's value. Additionally, they've declared a quarterly dividend of 6 cents per share, underscoring their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
CEO insights and future outlook. What insights did CEO Shmuel Jonas provide about IDT's future?
CEO Shmuel Jonas highlighted the company's record-breaking Adjusted EBITDA of $129 million for FY2025, a 43% increase. Looking ahead, IDT forecasts an Adjusted EBITDA of $141 to $145 million for FY2026. The focus will be on digital expansion, particularly in Boss Money, and integrating AI solutions in Net2Phone to capitalize on market opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, IDT Corporation has delivered a strong performance in Q4 and FY2025, with significant growth in profitability and strategic initiatives. Their focus on digital and AI integration positions them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing IDT's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on IDT's performance in the comments below.